Hello, this is Group 1 and today we'll be going over a Flow Manager installation. First, click on the pencil compass icon and select Flow Manager. Zoom in to your desired location on the map where you would like to place your pump. Click on the main pump icon in the top toolbar, followed by the location of where you would like the pump to be. The pump properties section will come up. This is where you can name your pump and also pick the capacity of your pump. In this case, we're using the example of 1200, which stands for 1200 gallons per minute. To add a main line to your main pump, select the plus branch icon on the top toolbar. After that, select the pump and followed by the location of where the branch is going to end. Branch properties will come up, and this is where you can name your branch. Be sure to cross-reference the size of the pipe with a pipe chart to ensure that friction loss doesn't go beyond 5 feet per second. By adding on more branches onto your main line, we're able to simulate where the bends would be in our pipe. It is important to remember when you get to a change in the size of pipe to refer back to the pipe charts to ensure that you stay within the 5 feet per second rule.
To add a flow zone to your map, click on the Add Flow Zone in the top toolbar. From here, select which branch you would like to add it to, and click where you'd like to put it on the map. When naming the flow zone, it is important to put which area the flow zone is in. In this one, we have it on T's. When adding the gallons per minute, it is important to refer back to the pipe chart to get the correct gallons per minute. To add a station to your flow zone, click Assign Stations to Flow Zone in the top toolbar. Then click the flow zone you would like to add the stations to and select all stations you're going to add.
When naming the properties on your map, such as the pump, it is important to give it a correct name, as this will help you in the future. Right-click on the pump icon and scroll down to Properties. We will then name the pump P1 and give it the correct GPMs. Next, we will then go right-click on the pipe branch and scroll down to Properties to give it the correct name, such as 10-inch south and the correct GPMs. After this, we will then click on the flow station and give it the correct name for the flow station and its capacity that can go through that flow station. It is important to go through and name this correctly, as it will help you in the future.
This is the tree view of our flow manager. As we add our information on the map, the tree is built. We can click on flow zone 2 and see what is connected to it. If we didn't build by the map, we would have to enter all this information by hand, and this could take hours.
As an alternative to right-clicking on something on the map and pulling up the properties that way, you can right-click within the Flow Manager and pull up a properties window from there. This window will give you far more information like the address, runtime data, rotor data, Flow Manager, precipitation data, as well as the ability to change the symbols.
The reason why we enter data through the map view is for ease of use, less human error, and less time it takes to actually input all the data.